Hello and welcome back to another InDesign video. Today we're going to be looking at text wrap. So text wrap is something that you can basically wrap your text around various different ways. So here you can see I've got an image and we want to wrap the text. So obviously at the moment we've got text wrap off. You can also see here we've got some options. We've got like 4 options. I don't think this is related to, this is corner options, right? So you don't have much in text wrap, but you can do at least the first few ones. So currently, we can do wrap around the bounding box. So we'll see what that does, right? So basically, this is around the box, the frame box, right? So if we, for instance, increase the size here, you can see it's going to increase the bounding box. There are some issues though, like for instance, say we had it like about there. You notice you might not want to have like the text over here because it's like the words are a bit sort of cut off. So you could just do wrap to the largest area. So that will basically look at the different sizes and we'll say, well, this width is longer than this one over here. So that's one way you could do that. Now you also got this option to do, just move it. Well, we'll leave it there for now, just to sort of illustrate the point actually. So we also have this offset. So you see you can move it around and that creates basically an offset around the bounding box there. What other options do we have? Well, we've got this one, jump object. So this one, it basically doesn't even look and it will just jump onto the next page. If you, for instance, had something like you had the positioning about here, you might want to do this one, jump to the next column, because there's no point really having anything more on the next underneath that. So you just go to the next column. Now, where the sort of complexity comes in is this one, the wraparound object shape. So more options that you can do. You can choose the largest area. You can also do detect edges. So if we do something like this might be interesting as well, right? So you can see it's actually doing it around the shape. Yeah, if you wanted to position it about here, would probably be quite cool, I think. You wouldn't then need to do largest area on that. And then you would be able to get something like that, which would be kind of cool, right? Going along with the curve of the actual text. So that's one way you could do that. You can also do select subject. I found it's like, and you can see that it's because there's a gap there, it didn't work properly. So it probably, I mean, this is just a specific image. It would probably work better if it wasn't like a vector image, I think. This column really has to be wide enough to do both right and left. Otherwise, you're always probably going to want to select the largest area. And you see, even then, I've got a slight error. So it really has to be very clear which is the largest area. I think what I'm noticing as well, the placement of the image in this situation, it should really be about one word in, almost like the same number level as the leading. Would probably be quite useful there, right? But yeah, I think in general, detect edges with largest area is the way to go on this. But yeah, so that'll do for now. So thanks for watching.